Targeting a United States audience is relatively straightforward. To do so, it's essential to understand how the algorithm works. The system analyzes videos using AI, identifying the language used and where it is most commonly consumed. Creating content in United States English is crucial, as is mimicking the style of videos typically produced in the US. For instance, if you admire a particular US theater or production style, try to replicate it in your own content. This approach helps the algorithm recognize your content as similar to what is typically consumed by a US audience, thereby increasing its reach to that demographic. By adopting this strategy, you can effectively target a United States audience, allowing your content to resonate with them. Overall, it's about creating content that aligns with the style and preferences of the US audience, which in turn enables the algorithm to distribute your content to the desired viewers.